everybody, this is Tipper Tom, and today I'm at Old Man's Cave in, where's this park? Hocking Park, is state park, or in Ohio, about 40 miles south of Columbus. And so we're going to start this out here, basically looking at this little waterfall here, and we'll start wandering around, see what this looks like. So looks like it's a fairly quick tour. We'll take a look and see what we've got. Hope you have fun. Oh, and if you like a crazy little video, please do the subscribe and like thing that everybody asked for, just so that we can keep goofing off and making these silly little videos. Oh wow, this is cool. I wonder if they let people go swimming in there. That is a really, really, really pretty. Yeah. Wow, this could be interesting. Let's see what else we got. And it's a little muddy. Rained a little bit a while ago. We'll see how far we can make it dressed the way I'm dressed. Wow. I'll tell you what, this little pond here, that's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't think we're going to do the whole hiking trail here. My tape, it looks like it's 3 miles, so that could be something, but we'll try to get some good views of this waterfalls and stuff. This place is just absolutely gorgeous. Kind of glad I stumbled on it. Alright, so now we're down to the water. Look how clear this water is. That's just, this is just amazing down here. Spectacular, isn't it? Oh, I love it. Swimming and wading prohibited. Maybe like it, I don't know. We'll keep looking. Goes down under the water. We'll go this way. Okay, let's go see this old man's cave trail. Coming up on another small waterfall. Oh, this is beautiful. Not what you'd expect to see in the middle of Ohio.